how to buy crypto with N26. So to buy crypto, what you have to do is you just need to open up your crypto, and so you will have this kind of interface at the end of the purchase. So what you need to do is under payment message, you will see a link. So copy that link, and once you have copied that, what you need to do is open up your N26 app, and once you open it, tap on the option that says send money. Once you tap on it, you'll be seeing these options. Tap on the option that says donate, and once you tap on donate here, you'll be seeing the select contact option. What you need to do is simply tap on add new contact on the bottom of the screen, and once you do that, you will be sent to this page. So you need to enter the name while you are purchasing your cryptocurrency, and then enter in your IBAN number. Once you have done with all of that, tap on continue, which is on the bottom of your screen, and once you are here, simply enter the amount that you would like to pay, and then tap on continue. And once you are here under reference, simply paste on that link which you have just copied from your crypto app, and then tap on the transfer. And now what you need to do is simply tap on the confirm, and here you need to enter your pin to confirm the transaction, and then tap on confirm, which is on the bottom of your screen, and then tap on done. And once you tap on done, your payment will be done. So that's how you can buy crypto with N26. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.